Fighting cancer in a smarter way at Speratum Biopharma. We're developing a breakthrough therapy to fight cancer using RNA, the tiny molecules that play a big role in how our cells work. Our therapy is based on a special type of RNA called microRNA, or miRNA, specifically MIR198. This tiny but powerful molecule can stop cancer cells in their tracks by targeting multiple factors that allow tumors to grow, spread, and resist treatment. Since 2014, our scientists have been working hard to turn miRNA into a new class of medicine. But what exactly is microRNA, and how does it work to treat cancer? Let's dive in. Understanding DNA, RNA, and proteins. Imagine your body as a huge video game, and your cells are the players working together to keep the game running. Inside every cell is a nucleus, the command center. The nucleus holds the DNA, which is like the game's rulebook, containing instructions for everything your body needs to function. But the DNA doesn't leave the nucleus. Instead, it sends out messengers called RNA to carry instructions to the rest of the cell. One type of RNA, called messenger RNA or mRNA, delivers the code to make proteins, which are the building blocks of life. Proteins are like the tools and characters in the game that make everything work. Sometimes, though, the instructions in the mRNA can have errors, like glitches in a video game. These glitches can cause cells to misbehave, grow uncontrollably, and turn into cancer. How miRNA works. The cheat code against cancer is like a group of hackers breaking into the game. They send out bad instructions that cause chaos, like making cells multiply too fast or ignoring the rules. This is where miRNA comes in. It's like a smart cheat code that fixes the game. It blocks instructions that tell cancer cells to grow uncontrollably. It stops cancer cells from invading other parts of the body. It helps when other treatments stop working. At Speratum, we've taken a special miRNA called MIR198 and made it even better. We created a mimic, or a lab-designed version of MIR198 that works more effectively. Our two big innovations, NoPass and NanoIn, to make sure our miRNA mimic gets where it needs to go and does its job. We developed two groundbreaking tools, NoPass and NanoIn. NoPass, the smart guide. Think of NoPass as a super smart GPS system that helps the miRNA mimic find and destroy the bad instructions. Here's how it works. The miRNA mimic enters the cell and joins a protein called RISC, like a search engine. RISC scans the cell for the bad instructions. When it finds a match, RISC deletes the bad mRNA so it can't make harmful proteins. This process, called RNA interference, stops the problem at its source. NanoIn, the perfect delivery system. NanoIn is like a high-tech delivery drone that carries the miRNA mimic directly to cancer cells without harming healthy cells. NanoIn is made from a special material that can target cancer cells. It delivers the miRNA mimic only to the cancer cells, avoiding healthy ones. It ensures the mimic gets where it's needed safely and effectively. Why Speratum's approach is different? Most medicines work like cleaning up after the hackers have already caused damage. They target the proteins made from the bad instructions. That's like mopping up water after a leaky faucet floods your kitchen. We fix the faucet itself by stopping the bad instructions before they can make harmful proteins. The game-changing combo, NM198, our therapeutic molecule combines NoPass to find and destroy the bad instructions, and NanoIn to deliver the miRNA mimic right where it's needed. Together, these tools don't just fix the game, they rewrite the rules to make sure cancer can't win. Overcoming challenges, even though MIR198 is powerful. Delivering it safely to cancer cells without being destroyed was a big challenge. Traditional methods couldn't do the job. That's why we developed NanoIn. It protects and delivers the miRNA mimic precisely where it's needed, unlocking a whole new way to treat cancer. A new era of medicine at Speratum Biopharma. We're leading the way in fighting cancer by solving the problem at its source. Imagine taking down hackers in a game not by fixing the damage after they've attacked, but by stopping them before they start. That's what Speratum's NM198 does. It's the ultimate power-up in the fight against cancer, and it's changing the way we treat disease. Game on.